this particular company had been given penalty for not filing March before now. So let's go together and see if it's true that we can now file our VAT. I made a video where I explained that there is an ongoing review over the payment of this automatic penalty. So let's see if it truly has been uplifted. So let's go straight to it to see if we can be able to file the VAT without having to pay. So here we are. It has 2 taxes due. Click on the tax due and let's go straight to it. Here we are. You can see it has 2 taxes to file. It has that of March to file and that of April to file. So right now we're going to start by filing that of March and see. This particular company does not have VAT to remit. Yes, it means remit means it does not have a specific amount of money to pay for the VAT filings. The company was supposed to file NIL, but on checking the portal last week, we saw that it already had a penalty on it. So the owner was in a big shock and he just said, just let it be for now. Let me think on what to do, because initially he wanted to file NIL. So I heard today that the filing can now begin without you paying penalty if you are a small company or a small business owner who already have tax promos account and has migrated to Rev360. So let's go straight into it to see if we can actually file NIL for this company. You click on file now, then you come here and pick the currency. Once your currency is being picked, you go to download VAT templates. Click on download template. It will download the template for you. So open your template that you download. You can see this is the template where I have just now. Open the template and make sure you go through each of the section of the templates for you to see that there is no anything in it. So you can see here nothing is in the column A. You move to column B and check if there is anything in the column B. Nothing is there. Your column C also, move there and see if you have anything in the boxes aside the descriptions given in the boxes. So we don't have anything. Then column C2, same thing, nothing is in our column C2. Let's move to column D and check if we have anything written in the box. Nothing. This is empty. So that is how your NIL filing box to be. It should be empty. So it's just a kind of garbage in and garbage out. What you get is what you upload. This is our box E. Then our column F, which is the last column. As we are filing NIL, we are not supposed to add any other column to this. So we already have this. The next thing is to go back to our Rev360 portal, and once you get back to this place, you click on this draw your Excel file here or browse file. Click on it for it to load up. It will take you to your gallery where you need to pick that particular template that you just downloaded. Here is the template. You click it and upload it. It has been uploaded to this place. Then you click on upload assessment. So let's see if it will go through. Then it means the review, which I made a video about this morning, had already been established. It has been put into consideration. Wow, you can see assessments uploaded successfully. That is what we have there. So if you come down to this place, you will see that we have VAT payable down here. You can see we have 0.00, meaning we are filing nil. We are not paying, because this is a small company that is not charging VAT and is not paying VAT. So you click on this, I accept this declaration, and click on file returns. Then voila, you can see returns filed successfully, and here we are, the return has been filed. So this tells us that what we passed to our community this morning has been followed up, and the review had been done to please the small businesses who are finding it difficult to cope and understand the penalty given to many of the small companies. So we say thank you to our tax officials. We say thank you to our government for not putting us in a stage of stress. Yes, because many people had been in a big stress all because of this penalty. So here we are, you can see we just filed that successfully. Let's go back to our main dashboard. You can see the VAT for March has been filed successfully. Then the next thing is to file the second one, which is for April. So let's go again. You pick the currency, you download your VAT templates, then you open it and go through it. Make sure you are having no figure in your box, and once that has been checked and confirmed, so here we are, here we are, here we are. So we don't have anything in our box because we are filing nil. Here we are, here we are, and here we are. We are good to go. So let's go straight to file our NIL filing right away. Then you come here and click on drag your Excel file here or browse file. Pick your file, upload your assessments. Give it time to load up, and boom, assessment uploaded successfully. You come down to this place. If you check your VAT payable, you'll be seeing that is 0.00. Accept the declaration and click on file returns, and your returns will be filed successfully. So we just filed the two returns on this particular account. You can see VAT filing successful. Right now you can see there is no more VAT to file on this particular company account. Wow, this is a great relief for every small business owners out there, especially those of us who had already fall victim of this automatic penalty, where we were rallying around to gain access to our tax promise account on the Rev360 during the migration. If this video has been helpful, if you find value in this, Don't forget to smash the like button and also subscribe by joining the family. And don't forget to drop your question in the comment section. If you have any question, I will be providing an answer to it. Thank you. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.